suku evumile abenkosi ehlotshiswe obukhosi hayo sebebuthwa I will be very brief. I want to appreciate Bishop N.T. Sapo and also actually making this venue available. Bishop N.T. Sapo, Bishop, amen. I want to recognize Master all protocol observed. Bishop Matadela, thank you, my brother and my friend, for the word that you spoke here. Bishop, thank you. And all ministers that spoke here, want to say thank you. I recognize all the men and the women of God here. I also want to recognize the presence of Deputy Commissioner of Police National, Lieutenant General Spear, with his wife, Thank you for the love and the support you have shown to us through all this we're going through. Siamo General, Lieutenant General. All the artists, ministers, some have come far from Swaziland. What's not corner when you know Siamia Parama, Shonishwa Timothy, Siabo with his wife, and also know we to show and put no corner apartment, so to that other day. And there are so many, and to Makabane, we have been with him throughout, almost every week, in and out, driving from Ashnod, Anna, Ezenana, about Fred. I just came here to say thank you. Bishop Twala, thank you for your prayers and for your support. Thank you. I recognize everyone. My brother was here. Thank you for that and that comfort. Don't forget to PM, Bishop PM Ambule, thank you. Thank you for that comfort. Thank you, Siamo. And all those that spoke here, who spoke first again? Reverend Doctor O.P. said, thank you. He's my cousin. Amen. Thank you. Siapa aku demand. Bingelela Mamazi, bingelela Asset. ngibingelela abakambulu ukuthi ngicela nabahleda ukuthi babongazi sibahleda sibonga sicela sifika la lwini lami ngoba laba bahleda bangidala ngitalwa ngawo lamandimanzi. My mother is from the Sheda. Ngibingelela bengithi ngibingelela abambukazi abangidalele nomfati lomuhle. Yabona le ndlela lengibhokhe ngawo siyangihlula Zulu asiphumi Maswati ufuna ukukhuluma Zulu asiphumi le ndlela ukuphunga ufuna ukukhuluma Swati ngizoba strong ngizojwayela. I want to recognize family that I hear all of you for the support that you've given us. Nababe drove all the way. This man that raised me, Mazibugo, is here. I have multiple families. But let me capture this when I finish. All protocol observed. I want to start by saying that I want to appreciate Balambazi for Utsi Gulugulabaselis and give us this beautiful human being, beautiful soul, beautiful. Zanele Mbazi Ambule, who is my wife, who has now departed to be with the Lord. I want to say thank you. Bobonge Labakona Bambazi. You have been really good to me. We've never had a meeting of any sort. We've said let's store this journey. It has never happened. Now this family is a very good family. I really appreciate you, Bodonga, Siabo. And also, secondly, I want to appreciate our children, Nonjabudo, Yolanda, Wande, and the grandchildren, Lindo, and the great children. I'm born Lindo, but I have to learn and Andy Swam as we know Lifa. And we want to say thank you. I was very blessed that I came into their lives and beautiful children. Not even one day that they ever disrespected me. They have honored me, loved me, respected me, and celebrated me. And the most beautiful children you can ever ask for. We taught you that Ukolwa is beginning of wisdom is the fear of the Lord. That is what your mother taught. All the times and then Siabo, thank you. Keep the faith. Hold on to the faith that your mother taught you, that we taught you. Before I conclude, I want to appreciate my wife. Zanele was an amazing person. She was a beautiful soul. Zanele Maratanda kakhulu iyaqisa. Ayikho into ayenza kancane. Mayenza imali yenza kakhulu, mayenza business yenza kakhulu, mayenza i-TV show yenza kakhulu, mayenza radio show yenza kakhulu. Everything she does uyaqisa, she does it to the best of her ability. It's unbelievable that she's gone. If time would allow me, there are things that I would say here. I think I know I was blessed. I know I was blessed. And all of you know that I was blessed. And I can see the way you look at me. I was okay. I was fine. I was blessed. And I thank God ukuthi anginigithuba ukuthi ngihlale nomuntu wakhe. Zanele fell, before I even got to when she fell ill, I want to say that I tried my best to not only say that I love her, but to show her that I love her. And just this week, those weeks when she was unwell, she said it so many times, thank you. Until I said, for what? Thank you for everything. Thank you. She said it so many times. She would say thank you in so many times. And so I want to say that she was my rock, she was my anchor, she was my best friend, she was the ambience of my heart. She was I lost my father, possibly 2005. I lost my mother 2021. During COVID. They all passed in. 5 of them passed in. They passed in just in a month, almost a month and a half. And I was my mother's only son. Now I lost my wife. I really didn't want to speak. But because Aneda would say several times, she would say several times that when and I said I will not do it. As when Kuluma Mama said, because my wife somehow was misled to believe that I can sing. I guess love does that to people. She was my rock. I will tell her now. When I lost my mother and my uncles and my whole mommy, I just had Zanella. She was everything. She was a mother, she was a friend, she was a sister, she was my inspiration. I loved her so much. I loved her with everything in me. Thank you for coming. Thank you for loving her. Thank you for showing us love. Thank you for showing up when we needed you all. I'm not sad. I'm just in pain.
heart is shattered in pieces. I'm gonna miss this girl for a lifetime. All the good times we had traveling around the world, the children, the kids, and we laughed, we played, we fought. Remember one day when people had become so jealous of her. They wanted to destroy her. Because I started a church in Durban and people wanted to destroy her. They fought us hard. They fought us hard. Never had a problem with people who don't believe. The people that fought us the most are people who worship God. One day, I hired a journalist to destroy her. All sorts of scandals every day, every Sunday. And one day, they wrote something about her, something very bad. And I woke up, I saw it. I woke up early in the morning, through the M4. I removed those placards. I removed them so that when we drive to church, she won't see them. Because I removed I removed all of them. Early in the morning I was there, and very early. It was still dark. Then I went back home. I saw my wife suffer at the hands of friends, believers, some people that never knew her were paid to just say things about her. But she's still beautiful. She's still beautiful. She never lost her smile. She never lost her joy. She fought and she fought hard. She fought and she fought hard. No amount of negativity would stop her from achieving her dreams. I never questioned her, I always believed her. Sometimes when things are tough, you don't need people who question, you need people who believe. I just want to say thank you. I did my best. The last few days I spent hours in hospital. I want to appreciate Stephen, as I said. Shan Hospital, they let me stay for 8 hours. Let me stay for 6 hours inside the hospital. I sat next to her bed when she was not talking. I just held her hand. I told her, you shall surely live, you shall not die. Prayed for her. And she passed away at Parklands Hospital. On the Saturday, they let me stay for over 8 hours. I was there from 11:30 until about 10 at night. And the kids came and joined, and the family came. And when we left at 10, swung at 10, I went home. I started downstairs. I was sitting downstairs all by myself. It was almost 12. I said, okay, sis. But I was already sitting there and I was breaking down and I was crying. And then Yolanda came to the kitchen to make tea. And she passed by, she said, Baba, Angola. And she found me that time, I was crying. And I tried to hide my face. But it was 12:10. And I felt her leave. And I wept. I felt her leave. And I took my phone, because I was shared Dion spent 10 minutes. Dion means I took my phone, which is now phone, and then the phone rang on my head. But you see, I felt it. And I was crying about my thing. What's about someone? You understand? And I stood up and I said, somewhere, I knew she was gone. And when we came to the hospital, Masfiga's birthday, she was so beautiful, with a smile on her face. Mama Kambuga and a smile. She still has that smile. I went to see her the other day at the mortuary. She's still smiling. Mama Kambuga lokufunga kabuzo. Ungathi uze lokufunga ngoba masaka hamba uthi Dion uphakamisa amehlo owafuna wonke. Wabuka phezulu. Wasiwavala. Wavala nomlomo wasmile with that smile. Manje mangibuka kunento ngilethi ubonile umuzukazi. Uthe makathi phambi samehlo wawubona umuzukazi. Lo muzi makawubona wabamuhle lo muzi. Wasiyaphuma kulomzimba odliwa ukhulu. Wangena kulo wayamzi. Ubonile umuzukazi. I said to my children, I said to the children, I said, you know what? I wish I could just go every day to the hospital, to the morgue and just to the mortuary and just. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. May she rest in God's presence eternally. I thank God for giving me this blessing. I have no complaints. I know she's not here. But allow me to say thank you, my love. Thank you for loving me, for standing with me, for supporting me, for praying with me, for believing in me, for bringing the best out of me. Thank you, my love. You are the queen of my castle. Thank you, Siyabonga. And lastly, Spongy Okozi. If I don't mention you, I would have made a mistake. Thank you. Spongy approached Zanele and brought her to Ukozi. Zanele, one of the things she wanted to do was to go back to Ukozi. One of the things. And Spongy made it possible. What you did for my wife is the greatest gift. She loved radio with passion. She didn't do radio for money. She didn't care. She never talked about that. She just loved to be behind the mic. Siyabonga Spongy. Because FM Siyabonga. And I want you to know, let me just make this clear. Agabo othakatha Zanele. Ukhozi alumthakatha. Abantu basokhozini abamthakatha. Uzanele uDaku songena ukhetha. Uhambile ngoba uNkulunkulu umbizi. Sonke asazi sohamba. So everyone know this. Akukho uthakathi ngoba okubi abenze bona ukhosini. Abantu basokhozini bonke, they have been good to her and very precious to her. And she spoke well of all of you. Just want to make that clear so that all of you know. Akathakathwa uhambe ngokuthi bengana lokho enikwaziyo okushilo. It's not witchcraft. And lastly, amkhulekela ngiyala ngasilela abanye babuzana bathi sasinanga ukuthi you shall live, you shall not die. Ngasho vele ngoba ngumuntu weBhayibheli. iBhayibheli lithi angisho ngikukhula ngithi you shall surely live, you shall not die. And ngasho vele ngathi you shall surely live, you shall not die. Basukumuntu uyamthatha. Nazo ngabona umuntu uthatha ngase mina sengiyasho namhlanje sengiyakutshela babusisiwe abafile bafele Nkosi. Babusisiwe abafile usadwa sithi shall live you shall not die. Wafa sithi babusisiwe. Abafile sinayo impendulo. We are not discouraged. Asimjabulanga uNkulunkulu. Remember this, angeke nisijabule isimanga. Ngeke nisijabule isimanga. Abonga kakhulu. She transitioned to glory. I just want to say farewell. Rest my love, rest in eternal peace. I want to appreciate all her friends. You know yourselves, all her friends. Dr. Tinyigo spent almost days and days in hospital. All her friends. And lastly, before I sit down, Kitty Spanwan, a good-hearted person, a beautiful soul. You are the most beautiful person, pure heart, pure spirit. Ulugulu Zokti. Mina now same. Mina now same. But the nice thing is that but we still have friends. See, Suman and Bagathe, Mazimu, and Sumu, Theta Mazimu, Suman, Theta Mazimu, Abude. These people there. You see, about Wabonali. If I would have any crisis right now, they would solve it. They have done it so many times. This is my family. Sugman Bagambolas. Elaboga Bagambolas is there. Harris Sugman. Hello, remain stable. Harris Sugman. Bogas Harris Sugman. Kid, you are not alone. This is family. These beautiful people, this is family. We have you, we have everything. Thank you everyone for staying this long. We love you, we appreciate you. Rest in power and rest in peace, my love.
Emcela Bishop Babe Mthwana eze asikhulekele sinema sonke enyama. Kosi kiasi ungenza